Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to take a little break from stimulus checks and stimulus package videos and finally make a credit card video instead. Specifically, a what's in my wallet video, quarantine edition. With everyone's spending habits changing these couple of months and probably a few months to come, credit card companies responded by changing up some of the reward categories and credits. And I adjusted the credit cards in my wallet accordingly. So I want to share with you which credit cards I'm using for which category of spend and why. But please make sure to hit the like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm that is just focused on stimulus videos right now. So thank you. I really appreciate it. So let's start with my favorite credit card, the Amex Platinum card, the Amex Platinum. And boy, am I going to save a ton of money using this card for the rest of the year. But the real reason I'm going to save even more money than I initially thought is because I have the Platinum, the Amex Platinum, and the Charles Schwab Platinum. And my wife has the Charles Schwab Platinum, and also she has the Amex Green card. So here's how I'm using the new cell phone credit on all these cards. Each Platinum card gives $20 per month for cell phone bills, and the Amex Green card gives $10. And these credits are going to be given from May now till December of 2020. So I went ahead and prepaid $20 on my T-Mobile phone bill using one of the Amex Platinum cards. And since T-Mobile doesn't let you charge the same amount each day, so I charged $19.99 on another Platinum and $19.98 on the third Platinum. And then I put $10 on the Amex Green card. So right now my T-Mobile balance is minus $69.97, which means till December I'll be saving about $560 on my phone bill. That's amazing, especially that it's not something I was planning on. Then I'll pay the rest of the bill using my Chase Inc. Business Cash to earn 5x Ultimate Reward points on the remaining balance. Not bad at all. Now the next thing I use my Amex Platinum cards for now is paying for streaming services. We only have Netflix and Hulu, so I put $13 for Netflix on one Platinum and $6 for Hulu on another Platinum. I know the credit is $20 for streaming services and the total here is $19, but I figured to split it on two different cards just because. No real reason there. So between both statement credits, I'm looking at saving $712 for the rest of the year. By the way, if you've been wanting to apply for any cards that I'll talk about in this video or any other ones in general, now is a great time since almost all banks extended the minimum spend requirement period by 3 months. So now you'll get 6 months to meet the minimum spend on a lot of the cards, which is amazing. You can also help out the channel if you check out the links in the description to learn more about any card you're looking to get. The next card that moved into the rotation now is the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. All supermarket spend whenever we actually go to the supermarket or order from Instacart even will go on this card from now until end of June, since Chase added supermarkets as a 5x category on the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is actually my wife's card and we share all our points anyway. I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, this one, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but it will only earn 3x on supermarkets instead of 5x on the Reserve, so that's why we're using the Reserve. The next card that's not technically in the wallet yet, but I'll make sure to move it in there next month, and that is my Hilton Aspire card. From June through August, the $250 annual Hilton Resort credit will work on dining. I cannot wait for this because Amex credits are really hard already to use and I'm not planning on staying at a Hilton Resort anytime soon. So this is a great easy way to use up that $250 credit. Another card that I have that has this same benefit is the City Prestige. The City Prestige credit card. Restaurant purchases and supermarket purchases will trigger the $250 travel credit that the City Prestige offers, and that will work from May through December actually. I already used my City Prestige travel credit this January at the Grand Hyatt Bahamar Resort in the Bahamas. Check out my video over there. I made a whole review. It's beautiful. But I'll make sure to move my dining spend back to the City Prestige after I use up the Hilton Aspire credit to continue earning 5x thank you points on the City Prestige. Next up is the City Double Cash Card, my favorite card for everyday non-bonus spend categories. The Citi Double Cash Card earns 2x on anything and everything. So any spend that's not dining, travel, supermarkets, or any other bonus category on other cards goes onto my Citi Double Cash Card, which I just realized I didn't put it here for some reason. It's upstairs. Anyway, the last card is the Amex Blue Business Plus card, which gives me 2x on everything and anything that's business spend related, and also not covered as a bonus spend category on other cards I have, like the Chase Ink Cash or Preferred. The 2x bonus is limited to the first $50,000 each calendar year, which I don't come anywhere near since I don't have that much business expenses anyway. So these are the cards that I'm going to use, or that I'm using these coming few months. Let me know which cards you guys are using now. Did you change anything in your spending habits? Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure to check the links in the description to get your free stock when you open a Robinhood account, and 2 free stocks from Webull when you open an account and deposit only $100, with 1 stock potentially worth $1,400. Also, my free travel award guide in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button on the video, share it with someone who you think would find it useful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be a stimulus check video, but I'm going to get back to these credit card videos here and there, so stay tuned. Thank you guys.